I'm going to be showing you how to unlock Guardian Palm in Where Winds Meet. So Guardian Palm is a mystic skill you get by completing a specific side quest. So Where 1,000 Buddhas Wept is a side quest in northern Shinji. So the steps to unlock is to travel to the northern section of Shinji, which is Sundara Land Shoreline. So just find the Night Dreamwork Monk and accept the Where 1,000 Buddhas Wept side quest. You can just follow the procession and complete the event. It's largely atmospheric and doesn't require combat. So at the end of the quest, you'll receive a skill tome that unlocks Guardian Palm. So after learning it, you can equip it in your Mystic skill slot, and once you've done that, Guardian Palm appears in your Mystic arts list. So in this way, you can successfully unlock Guardian Palm in Where Winds Meet. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.